Stop struggling with email marketing and start dominating your inbox. The future of email marketing is here. MailDaddy, AI-powered autoresponder, creates, writes, and sends unlimited emails with inbuilt SMTP and the latest Gmail and Yahoo compliance. Dominate inboxes without monthly fees. 100% Gmail and Yahoo compliance. Built-in spam marking to boost your sender reputation. Get higher inbox delivery, all within a user-friendly, cloud-based platform. MailDaddy is packed with tons of ground-breaking features that make it a cut above the rest. Send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers for zero monthly cost. Use Gmail's AI-powered defenses to stop more than 99.9% of spam, phishing, and malware attacks inside inbox. Fully compliant with Google and Yahoo's 2024 update, so no risk of IP blacklisting and accounts getting banned. Get 100% SPF, DMARC, and DKIM compliance to boost your sender reputation. Write and send thousands of profit-pulling emails using AI Email Writer. Choose from 250+ professionally designed templates to save time and maximize inbox delivery. Built-in ultra-fast SMTP and dedicated IP to send countless inbox-friendly emails. Generate unlimited red-hot leads for any offer in any niche. Easily manage your list and segment your audience for 10x engagement. Use drag-and-drop email builder to create beautiful inbox-friendly emails with zero coding. Smartly import and export unlimited contacts with just one click. 99% uptime and 99.9% deliverability assurance to get more opens, clicks, and sales. Effortless list cleaning to move unwanted emails instantly. Precise analytics included to monitor your emails, opens, clicks, and subscribers' engagement. Stop paying huge monthly to a Weber, GetResponse, MailChimp, etc. 100% mobile responsive emails for maximum reach. User-friendly, cloud-based app. Start within a minute. MailDaddy sends unlimited Google-friendly emails to unlimited subscribers in just 3 easy steps. Step 1. Login. To start, just log in and use this Google and Yahoo-friendly AI email marketing autoresponder in a few taps of your mouse. Step 2. Upload list. Now, go ahead and upload your list in a few clicks. Rest assured, you won't lose a single lead while uploading. Step 3. Send and profit. Great, you're all set. Now send unlimited spam-free emails to unlimited subscribers with zero third-party subscriptions or any huge investment. Using MailDaddy is fast and easy. MailDaddy saves thousands monthly from expensive email marketing platforms. The craziest part? Limited-time commercial license to provide red-hot email marketing services and unlock unlimited profits. And you'll get exclusive fast action bonuses worth $14,958 with your copy today. Time is running out. So hit the link below and get MailDaddy now for a low one-time payment.